Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Touareg battery. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal first to prevent shorts, and then the positive terminal, using the correct wrench size. Remove any covers or brackets securing the battery, and carefully lift the battery using a helper if needed. Place the battery on a protected surface and inspect tray for corrosion or leaks before proceeding with cleaning or replacement. Start by identifying the negative terminal and loosening its clamp completely, then removing the cable and tucking it aside. Next, loosen the positive terminal clamp and lift the cable clear of the battery before removing any hold-down brackets. Keep track of any screws or fasteners and place them in a small container. If terminals are corroded, clean them with a brush and baking soda solution while avoiding breathing fumes. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy DIY auto videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Enjoy voice control and smarter cleaning so your garage stays tidy while you work on the Touareg. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After both cables and brackets are removed, use proper lifting technique to lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to avoid spilling acid. Place the battery on a non-metallic surface and inspect the tray for rust or buildup that could cause poor contact. If corrosion is present, neutralize it and allow the area to dry before installing a new battery. Dispose of the old battery at a designated recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.